Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check your Windows 11 update history on a PC or laptop. You might want to know what versions of Windows you have recently installed. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To check update history in Windows 11, first head to the main settings page. You can get there a number of ways, but we'll be searching for it in the search bar. In the settings, click on Windows Update from the left. On this page, choose Update History. You should now see all of the Windows updates as well as the date that they were installed on. And so that is how to check your Windows 11 update history on a PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.